Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can make your files and in particular your folders on Google Drive accessible to anyone online. So let's dive into this. All you need to do guys is head over to Google Drive, log into your account of course, and what you want to do next here in your My Drive section of your Google Drive account is find a folder you would like to make accessible to anyone. So I'm going to use that folder here for demonstration purposes. Right click on it. Select share from the drop-down menu, again share, and now guys this window will pop up for you where you will be given the opportunity to either grant permission or access to specific persons or contacts of yours by adding their username or email address here, or alternatively guys, if you'd like to give anyone access to that folder, simply switch from general access restricted to allow anyone here from the drop-down menu, and after that simply copy your shareable link here and share it or paste it online to share it with people, for example via direct messaging services, social media posts or your website, and that's basically it. Now anyone with that link will be given access to your folder here in Google Drive, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.